tropa for today's vlog. Sasakyan kami ulit.
So hard that the mannequin turned into a fountain, spraying water everywhere.
So ayan, nag-cellphone siya. Wait.
Panicking, they started playing with the mannequin like it was some kind of game. Then a boy stepped up to
Guys, joke lang.
give them a lift.
Bagay ka.
Turned into a fountain, spraying
Sorry.
water everywhere. Instead of panicking, they started playing with the mannequin like it was some kind of game.
Tignan niyo.
Then a boy stepped up to give mouth-to-mouth CPR.
Tumalong ko siya. Ayaw mo makita.
But things only got worse. In a desperate attempt, she
Mag-vlog
blocked
din
the
siya,
mannequin's
guys.
mouth with her hand, hoping to stop the water. But then, after trying everything, she sighed and apologized.
Please subscribe.
They decided to give it a final tribute. But then, she joined the
Oh, hi
how to
guys.
save lives during CPR practice.
So, uuwi na kami. Oh. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Sana probinsya.
Instead of panicking, they started playing with the mannequin.
Uwi na kami. So sad. Tungtong para tungtong. Kevin, meron pa piatos? Wala na? Ubus na piatos? Ubus na piatos. Tita, ubus na po piatos? Ubus na. Hindi, nisama mo din yung vlog. Ayan guys. Aha! So, isa kami. Hindi ako nakapag-video. Iya. Wala! Ang galing. Wait lang, huwag nyo ihagot. Ayan guys, yung hi! Guys. Iya. So, uwi na tayo. So, pati ka pa tayo. Wala na yung view. Wala na yung view na guys, sorry. Eh, dyan o. Ganito. So, guys. Eh, kanina mo pa yan sinasabi. Kasya yan. Itayo mo kasi. Kaya mo yan. Itayo mo. Di nga kami makikita. Ganito, amin na nga. Ayan talaga. Oh. Diba? Easy.